Oh, I got 5-star review. You can see this is everything on live screen, guys. Within 10 minutes I delivered this order, and you can see I got 5-star review. What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I am making $15 in just 10 minutes, and I have also set up my 10 minutes timer, so you can see how I'm making $15 in just 10 minutes on live screen. So please watch this video till the end, guys. This video is going to be very helpful for you guys. After watching this video, I can give you guarantee you can also start making $15 in just 10 minutes. So please watch this video till the end and do not miss any parts of this video. Yes, now you can earn $15 by following the method which I am going to share with you on the live screen without having any skill or any experience. So please watch this video till the end and do not miss any part of this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see I have $15 order on my Fiverr account, and basically my order price is $5 only, but my buyers wants to deliver this order in just one day, so she add $10 extra for one day delivery. But you can see guys, I have only 6 hours left and I didn't do any work. You can see we just do some talk on the order page, but I didn't do any work. So I have only 6 hours left right now, and you can see how I am deliver this order in just 10 minutes. Basically she is a doctor and she is a urogynecologist in Switzerland, and she wants me to find a domain name for her website. So she contact me to find a domain name, good quality domain name, easy to remember domain name in ch extension or .com extension. So you can see how I deliver this order on the live screen. So guys, you can see I have only 6 hours left and I didn't do any work. So now let me start my timer. You can see I have set up 10 minutes timer. So I'm just going to click on start button. So you can see my timer is start now, and here is my Fiverr profile and here is the order price. So basically she is a doctor and she wants me to find a domain name related to her niche, and she is a urogynecologist and she is also a medical person, so I can also search terms like on medical. So let me open incognito mode and I'm going to open godaddy.com. I just open godaddy and I'm going to type medical keyword. I just type medical and GoDaddy is showing me so many options, but I only want .com domain, so I am searching .com extension here, but I don't know what is the issue. GoDaddy is not showing .com domain here. So now let me open other website which is namemesh.com, and I'm going to type the same keyword here as well, medical. I type medical keyword and I only want .com domain. So let me click on .com, and this website is finding me domain name related to .com, and let me open notepad file. I just open notepad file, and you can see there are so many options are available which is given by this namemesh.com. You can see everything on live screen and I'm not doing any work. You can see there are so many .com available here. These are the premium, but these are very costly, so I'm going to with this one. I'm just copy first one. I think first one is only good, so I just copy medical. So I just copy this keyword, this domain name, and let me go on GoDaddy again, because she said she want name with ch extension as well. So I type ch medical.ch, and let me see what GoDaddy suggest me. You can see this is the best name, the medical.ch. It is very easy to remember, guys. So let me copy, and there are so many other names are also suggested by GoDaddy. Healthmedical.ch, She is the urogynecologist. Let me copy her keyword as well, urogynecologist, and let me type urogynecologist.ch. I just type urogynecologist.ch and let me see what God really suggest me. Wow, urogynecologist.ch is available. So it is amazing, guys. Now let me just copy this and paste it here. Let me see other options as well. UroHC. This is one is very short, so it can be easy to it could be easy to remember domain name. You can see there are urogynecologists.com. Wow, this is amazing. And you can see I have found 6 names, and you can see I have 6 minutes left. Basically I found this name in just 4 minutes. So now let me copy all this name, and I have notepad file already saved with the domain name you can see. And guys, yesterday I make video with this video $5 in 5 minutes, and with this order I also share how do I make $5 in just 5 minutes, and this order is complete now. You can see this was the order which I made, which I saw in this video. So you can see this order is complete now, and the buyer give me 5-star rating as well. And you will see in this video I delivered this order, this $5 order in just, you can see this $5 order, I delivered this order in just 5 minutes, and I saw everything on live screen as I am showing right now in this video. So please don't forget to check out this video as well. You will find link in the description, and you will also find the card as well on the right side of this video. So guys, let me come on to the topic, and this is the name I found for this $15 order, and let me save all the name. I just save all the name and I'm going to close it here. And now let me open again, because I just want to, and let me copy the text from here. Here I found some awesome name related to the website you want to create. These are the best name I recommend. They are very short and easy to remember. I just copy and I'm going to paste it here. Everything on live screen, guys. I'm not cheating anyone, and I'm not making any types of fake video. No one share these types of video on the internet. People make just video about you can provide logo design service, background removal service, and you make gig on that types of topic, but you will never get order because there is a huge competition in this niche. So you can provide this domain name related service, and you can see I'm actually providing this service on live screen. So you can provide the same service as well, and you can make so much amount of money. But if you don't know how you can rank your gig on Fiverr and how you can set up your gig to get orders, as I am getting $5 order, $15 order on every day on daily basis, then I would highly recommend you to check out this Fiverr course. At the price of coffee you will get this course, and you will find first link in the description. With this course I will show you how you can rank your gig in just 3 days, and how you can get your first customer in just 1 week. And plus I will also show 6 methods to earn $100 per day without having any skill. So I would highly recommend you to check out this course. You will find first link in the description. And I have a good news for you guys. Yes, I would highly recommend you to comment me on this video. You can, I'm not saying you just say me good in the comment. No, you can say anything honestly in the comment section of this video. Yes, from 250 comments I will select 2% and I give this course, yes, $7.86 course for free. Yes, I would highly recommend you to comment on this video. You can say anything honestly. I'm not saying you just do good comment. If you see anything bad in this video, you can say me in the comment as well. From 250 comments I will select 2% and I will give this course completely free. But I would highly recommend you to check out this course. Believe me guys, I have shared so many value with this course, as I am sharing with this video on the live screen. In this course I show everything on live screen as well. I set up my Fiverr profile and I show everything, how do I am getting order and how I am making this amount of money. You can see I have so much amount of money I have made so far. You can see $10,000, $920. You can see there are so many. You can see I'm level 2, level 1 seller as well. You can see I got $250 order as well. So you will get so much amount of value with this course. I would highly recommend you to check out. You will find first link in the description. So now let me come onto the Fiverr profile. Yes, and you can see I just have 6 hours left and I have found all this name. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here, and now let me send. So I just send all the name. You can see the medical.ch, every names are very good. And now I'm going to deliver this order. I just click on deliver now button and let me use Fiverr customized delivery text. You can see, and let me select my file, which is domain name file, and you can see I'm going to deliver my work now. I just click on deliver and you can see how I deliver this order. Let me open the timer again. Still I have 1 minute left. So basically in just 5 to 6 minutes I delivered this $15 order, and I do everything on live screen. So I would highly recommend you to subscribe my channel for more and more valuable content. Believe me guys, you will find so many videos which I make on live screen, and I only share the method which I personally follow. This is the beauty of my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You will find quality content related to freelancing, social media marketing, make money online, and everything in between. And I would highly recommend you to check out my this course as well. Believe me guys, this course will help you a lot. And this course is not the end. Yes, if you buy my this course and if you be my student, believe me guys, I will give you lifetime support until you start making money. I will help you through Skype call as well. So I want you to make money by using Fiverr as I am making easily, and I want to change your life. That's why I have made this course and I have set up this video as well. And guys, when I talking about my course, I see a notification on my Fiverr tab, and when I open my Fiverr tab, my order page which I deliver right now on the live screen, I see that my buyer completed my order, and you can see this order is complete now, and she also rate my work as well, and now I have to rate. So let me see what the review I receive. I'm making everything on live screen. I'm just writing outstanding experience. I just type and click on publish review. Let me oh, I got 5-star review. You can see this is everything on live screen guys. Within 10 minutes I delivered this order, and you can see I got 5-star review. So it is the method guys. I would highly recommend you to check out, and you can provide the exact same service and start making $15 in just 10 minutes. You can see I even get 5-star review. So I hope this video will help you. So please don't forget to give me a like, and you can say your best comment on the comment section of this video. And as I told you before, I will select 2% out of 250 comments, and I will give you my course for free. So please do comment. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.